Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set page size in the Excel app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the top row and click on page layout, and here under page layout we have size, and here we can select the size of the paper which we want to use for printing. And yeah, let's say we want to have an A3, and as you can see, these lines have been changed. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.